Hello and welcome to the Magic Pencil. My name's Andrew and this is
Amber.
And today we're going to be showing you how to draw
Black Panther.
from Marvel Comics. Ember, you're a bit of a fan of Black Panther, aren't you?
Yeah.
Should we ask us some questions?
Yeah.
Right. What's Black Panther's real name?
King T'Challa.
And what country is he king of?
Wakanda.
Pretty good. What's his armour made out of?
Vibranium.
Awesome. If you like what we're doing, subscribe to our channel. Shall we get started?
Yeah.
Let's begin. Okay, so let's get a purple pen. Okay, and there's a reason for this. Okay, so though it's Black Panther, what's his armour made out of? Vibranium. Yeah, and when he gets hit, it glows like a purple colour. So we're going to start with purple, and we're going to work down until black. Okay, so first of all, we're going to do the eyes. But look, so we leave the finger space here,
So
right? Yeah, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to do like a horizontal line like that for the bridge of the nose.
Right here?
Yeah. Yeah, good. And then we're going to do a diagonal line that way and a diagonal line that way. So diagonal line like that and a diagonal line like that. Looking good. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a curve that joins up like that, and a curve that joins up like that. So there's his eyes. So just up from here, I'll put a little dot about there.
Right there?
Yep. And now I'm going to do a diagonal line that way, and a diagonal line that way. And then just below, I'm going to do another diagonal line like a triangle here. And then just about here, I'm going to do another diagonal line that way, like that.
Right here?
Yep. And then we're going to do like these cheekbones, so we're going to do like a swoosh going round and joining up to there. So I'm kind of going to go round like that and round like that. And then just under this triangle, I'm going to do two curved lines like that. Okay. Right, so from here, I'm going to do a little curved line that way and a little curved line that way. At the moment, he looks a bit like an owl, but hopefully he's going to look more like a panther in a minute, okay?
Kind of looks like an owl who's going to battle.
Yeah. So just under here, I'm going to do another curved line coming out that way and another curved line coming out that way. And then I'm going to join it up like this. So we're going to go round like that. Okay?
It's like a giant U.
Yeah, like a giant U. That's a good way of describing it. So we've got to try and make him look a bit more like a cat now, aren't we? And cats have got like a pattern on the top of their head. Yeah? So just here, I'm going to do two lines like that. And then down here, I'm going to do another line there and another line there. And then we're going to do a curve that side and a curve that side. So those curves should join up like that. And then I'm going to do like a curved... Don't worry, that's all right. What I'm going to...
Where should I join?
Let's have a look. Don't worry, just join there to there and there to there, because we're going to do the ears now. Okay, so here I'm going to do a curved line that way and a curved line that way and a curved line that way and a curved line that way.
Here.
Yeah, so one on that side, one on that side. Yeah, looking good. And then we're going to do a curved line that way and a curved line that way. And then just between these two, I'm going to do a slightly curved line like that. So look, see those two lines there? In between, up there, I'm going to do two little lines that fit in between. And then here, I'm going to do a line that joins up. So it's going to go down and join up to there, and down and join up to there. And then we can do another line there, and another line there. And what we're trying to suggest is like all the sort of circuitry and complicated tech that he's got built into his costume, okay? So on this side, I'm going to do diagonal, slightly curved diagonal lines going this way, so like that. Yeah, and the same on this side, like that. Okay, so he's starting to look a little bit more cat-like. Now for his face, I'm going to do a curved line going in that way and a curved line in going that way. And then we're going to do like a loop on that side and a loop on that side. We'll do some curved lines going in this way and on this way. Yep, so we've got some going that way, and then on this side we're going in on the other side. Okay, so now we've got to do the necklace. Okay, so he's got like a pointy, sharp necklace. So we're going to do like a triangle just under his chin, like that. And I'm going to do a diagonal line that side and a diagonal line that side. And we're going to do a triangle this way and a triangle that way. And then just in the corners, we're going to do like a V. Yeah, so then getting smaller. Okay, so just under where the necklace would be, we're going to move our pen down a little bit and do a little dot there. Yeah. And what we're going to do is we're going to do like his abdominal muscles. So I'm going to do kind of like a little house shape. I'm going to do like a little roof here. And then I'm going to do a straight line there and a straight line there. Okay, and then for his belt, I'm going to do like a curved line like that. Okay, now we're going to do his shoulders, so either side here. Okay, so like that and like that. We're going to do two curved, sort of almost like an L shape. And then just about there, we'll do a little dot there. And then we're going to do a curved line going all the way up to the shoulders. So it's going to go like that on that side. And that on that side. And that's going to kind of help describe the shape of his shoulders and the muscles of his body. Okay. And then I'm just going to do like a little bit of a diagonal line that way and a little bit of a diagonal line that way. So that's just under his arms. All right, and then let's give him like his biceps. So let's do from here a curved line going out like that and a curved line going out like that. And then we're going to do some triangle zigzags just underneath. 1, 2, 3 zigzags. Can you do that? Like 1, 2, 3 zigzags. And then 1, 2, 3 zigzags that side. Okay? Yeah? Just under there.
I need to do 4.
That's all right, 4's fine, it doesn't matter. It's just to suggest that he's got some armbands or something. Shall we stop? Shall we pause? Okay, so now we're going to do the most hard bit. Okay, are we ready? Because we've got to do his panther talons. Yeah? So he's got really sharp claws, hasn't he? In the movie, doesn't he like rip open a car with his claws? I think he does. I think he tears it apart, doesn't he? So we're going to do the thumbs first. Okay, so I'm going to do a curve going that way and a curve going that way. See where the belt line is? So one on one side and one on the other side. And then here we're going to do like almost an oval, but we're not going to finish it, so I'm going to do an oval like that, and then an oval like that, and then we're going to do another one there, and another one there, and then I'm going to do like a loop that side and a loop that side. And then we're going to do like a curve inside that way and a curve inside that way. All right. And then what we're going to do is for his long claws, we're going to do triangles in here. So I'm going to do a long skinny triangle for that claw and a long skinny triangle for that claw. And then another one. And then another one this side. Okay. And then I'm going to do like a diagonal line that way.
Yeah.
Okay, it's all right. Looking good. Diagonal line that way and a diagonal line that way. So you just fit it inside there. Just there and there. So just in there. Yeah? You done it? And then we need to join up that bit to that bit. So you've got lots of space, but I haven't left myself a lot of space. So I've got to do a bulge there for his forearm and a bulge there, and it's got to join up with his hand. So you're going to do something along there like that. That's fantastic. Okay. Now let's do the sides of his ribs. Yeah. So we're going to do a curved line that way and a curved line that way. Yeah. So curve in and join up. That's good, and like that, that's looking good. So now just between, see where that little point was, just down to about there, we're doing his underpants. So we're just going to do like a little line there.
Right there?
Yeah. And then we're going to do a curved line that joins up to there, and a curved line that joins up to there. So we're going to go that way, and then that way. And then from here, I'm going to do a slightly curved line going out that way, and a slightly curved line going that way. So we're going to do his like muscular thighs. Okay, and then what I'm going to do is his knees about here. So I'm going to do a curved line just and then stop there. And then here I'm going to do a curved line and stop about there. All right, now for the backs of his knees, I'm going to go, sorry, the back of his calves, yeah? We do like a curved line that way, and a curved line that way. Okay, now I'm going to do a line going out and then curving round, like that, for his shins and his knees. And then what we're going to do is we're going to do like a sort of like a squashed U shape at an angle. So we can go around like that, and round and back like that. And we're just going to suggest some armour. So I'm going to do some straight lines where his ankles would be. And then from the back of his thighs. Oh, okay, sorry. Taking them too fast. Okay, and then here, I'm going to do a curved line like that, and then another curved line like that.
Kind of looks like a dove or something.
Yeah, like a, that's a really good way of describing it. Yeah, and then I'm going to do another one further back like that, and then like that. Okay. And then I'm going to do some lines going this way, where his ribs would be. And then here, I'm just going to do a little triangle there. And we'll do some lines going this way, like that, and like that. Okay. Right, so that's looking good. So I think now it's time for us to start colouring him in. Wow, what an amazing drawing. Give me a high five.
Thank you.
That's fantastic, Amber. Hope you enjoyed our tutorial. We've got some more coming up, so stick with us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Goodbye.
Wakanda forever.